Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and highlight text on GitHub. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where we have the home, issues, pull requests. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we can see that we have set status, your profile, repositories, etc., etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and highlight text on GitHub. So to highlight text on GitHub, you can use a Mac down syncs. Here are some common ways to style and highlight the text. We have bold, so use double asterisks or double underscores around the text. Here we have italic, so use single asterisk or single underscore around the text. We have the strike through, you can use double tildes around the text. Okay, the code, use backticks for initial code or triple backticks. We have the syncs highlight for code blocks. You can specify a language after triple bracket to enable syncs highlighting. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.